session. He will be joining now. So let's please kindly welcome Shubham Agarwal, sir, and let's start the session.
Hello everyone.
Hello,
Hello.
sir.
Hello, sir.
Hello, sir.
Good
Good
evening, sir.
evening.
Hello.
Hello,
Good,
sir.
Good
good
evening, sir.
evening everyone.
Good evening,
Yeah.
sir. Nice to meet you.
Same here, same here. Actually, a lot of people are still coming, so quite difficult to start. But so good evening everyone. How was main? How was prelims that you just gave, or many of them might have not given, but how was it?
Yeah, it was good, sir.
Good, sir.
Like,
Okay, good, good, good. So today's session, because I have talked to a lot of aspirants and students that a lot of people are not able to understand how to approach mains or how to shorten the notes, how to write the answers, etc. So we'll be dealing with it. I'll tell you in phases how to deal with every aspect of mains. Uh, I think we should start the session. So starting with syllabus, I hope everybody, almost everybody, has seen the syllabus properly. Actually, syllabus has a problem. Syllabus has a problem in the sense it has a lot of content which we actually do not study in film. Okay, so like if I go to an example, the GS1 society. So there are syllabus options like urbanization or women, role of women organization, and there are direct questions as well. So I would suggest you to prepare notes on those. Now, what are the sources to be used? Feeling low, failed in 2000. See, never feel low, Harpreet. Uh, Let me tell you my part. So I have given 5 attempts and I cleared in fifth attempt. I have given 5 mains, 2 interviews. But the spirit, I did not leave that, no, I will do it. Many people used to say, why don't you do post graduation? And I just used to say, no, I'll do it in academy only. So keep that spirit with you. You will do it. Don't worry. So regarding syllabus, now a lot of aspects are there in the GS2, GS3 part. Like if we are talking about governance, so there is NGO, SHG, pressure group. We actually have a problem with how to make notes. Okay, so notes preparation is a two-stage process. Yes, yes, I'll do current affairs also. So notes making as a two-stage process. First of all, we should know that we need to have a grip on conceptual clarity, the basics of different subjects and everything. Okay, and the later part, we will talk about the after getting concepts, are we doing enough that we can revise it in? Are we revising it properly? Because we have to make notes. So second stage is note making. Now, almost every topic, we should have around 1 or 2 pages notes. Okay? These are first stages of preparation. Like we have food processing industry. There are direct questions asked. Why don't we have a 1 page note for that? Okay, so if they are asking, put some examples, case studies, like we have example of Dabur procuring herbs. So just prepare 2, 3, maximum 2, 3 lines. That will be more than suffice as a case study. Always have that in mind. You have only 250 words. Okay, so in those 250 words, we cannot write everything we know about a topic. So what should we do? We should prepare our notes in this way that we are directly replicating it in the copy, okay, in the mains actual copy. Now, the second part, the syllabus ka, like science and tech, many people have problem in how to approach science and tech, but it is not that difficult if we approach it with the right approach. Like, first thing, a lot of people are still coming. So first thing, science and tech has almost 6, 7 technologies maximum. Okay, that we see in syllabus or we see in news. Just uh, so we have 6, 7 technologies like artificial intelligence, robotics, etc. Just prepare definition, concerns, basic things. I'm not asking you to prepare like whole of it, everything related to it. Okay, always focus on basics, because when you're writing, if they're asking you about artificial intelligence, you will not start with a story of artificial intelligence in GS. Okay, so this is a basic strategy for every GS paper, and keep that divided. That GS1 has three subjects mainly: history, society, and geography. Similarly, GS2 has 3: polity, governance, IR. So every subject requires specific strategy. So my marks increased, almost 50 marks were increased, because of one of the foremost reason was I prepared subject specific strategy. Okay. Now a lot of people might be starting from scratch, or might be just entering the main stage. So there are two kind of people at this stage: those who are giving in January, those who will be giving next year, right? Now, those who will be giving in January, okay, for them, I would just suggest you to, if you do not have notes, always try to refer to those things or those notes which are concise in nature. Like when I cleared this attempt and I got the result on 24th. So I had only 15 days. So I thought, let us try giving prelims as well for this year. So I thought that it is not possible to make notes or do the concise part of it. So what I did was I searched a bit. I used that Shunya IAS ka prelims notes. So they were very short. Okay. So that helped me to do it in the faster manner. Similarly for mains. Okay. So based on your time, based on your strengths and weaknesses, we should strategize our preparation. And that has to be individualistic. We cannot generalize the strategy. Okay. So those who are giving next year, I would strongly recommend you to prepare notes. Okay, topic wise, at least those topics which are not usually studied in prelims. Done. Now, after preparing 1 or 2 page notes, we should always focus on third stage, which is extremely important. That is very short notes. Like 1 page usually has a single topic when we are preparing notes, but in very short notes, we have around 3-4 topics in single page. Okay. How would that help you when you're giving mains? Consistently, we have to give essay 1, 2, 3, 4. In that paucity of time, we have to revise a lot. Understood? So in that paucity of time, we should always try to maximize our efficiency. That has to be done by very short notes. Okay, I'll share some pictures in the IAS prerequisite group. You will know from there. Understood? Now, after talking about that, a lot of people ask about, sir, how to prepare mains notes in terms of sources. So I personally like the Vision ka value addition material. That was pretty good. Okay, but they are huge, so you just need to concise it and prepare accordingly. They are extremely good. You can definitely use them. Then in last mains, I also used a bit of Shunya IAS notes, because they give them in a very precise manner, then they give facts, examples. So I thought we can directly use it. So that was very helpful for me. So in this way, use limited sources. Believe in your sources, because there are a lot of myths. There are a lot of diverse sources available in the market. But always believe in whatever you are doing. Okay, stick to one thing. Try to improve, but the base should be the same. Yes, Shikhar, right. So, still a lot of people are joining. So, I hope you understood. Act accordingly. If you haven't prepared notes or haven't prepared for mains, take some coaching notes. If you have time, make your own notes. That is the best, because when we have our notes in our own handwriting, that is always better, because we can revise it better. Okay. Now, these are the basic things. Coming to newspaper. Okay. Lot of people have issues, sir. It is such a huge paper. It takes 2 hours to study. What to do with newspaper? I always tell them one thing, that first of all, do not prepare notes for newspaper in terms of prelims, because it's almost humongous to revise them, right? And it is not able to. We are not able to even categorize it properly. So what we can do is we should always make notes for mains. Now, how to prepare notes for mains? We don't have to write everything. Okay, we don't have to use newspaper and start making notes, search everything and go deeper and deeper. No. Remember in your mind that we just have to write 250 words. Okay, 250 words. So how to do that? Like what I used to do was, like if I quote you an example, there was an article, so there was like a huge article, but I just took a small part of it. Dr. Swami Soumyanathan said something regarding pandemic, shadow pandemic and violence, etc. And I just wrote around, if I remember correctly, 3-4 lines. Okay, just 3-4 lines. And I'm telling you, there was a question in 2020 regarding inequality. I could directly put it because I made it in my mobile. So I could revise it around 10-12 times. So I remembered it perfectly. Understood? In this way, we need to smartly strategize means. It is not that difficult. Definitely, you can prepare by yourself. Nobody requires any guidance, but you need right strategy. You need right mentorship, because market is full of notes, full of test series, full of everything. So always try to have a good strategy. And that is why I am here to tell you. Okay? As I told you about notes, sources, keep it limited, keep it short, but believe in them. Then I'm telling you newspaper, do not make huge notes. I just had around 10-15 pages notes for newspaper. Okay. Now, in that newspaper, I just took like quotes, case studies. Like I still remember there was Swamitva scheme. Okay. So Swamitva scheme, there was a case study of UP. So there were 2 pages, huge pages of Indian Express regarding Ramrati Yadav. I still remember her name. But we do not need that. I just took 3 lines and used it in my actual paper. Because we need to tell examiner that we know the world, even though we have read only a part of it. Have that strategy in your mind. Understood? Even with the little, we can tell the checker that we know everything. That is how we should play. Rather than on knowledge, we should play on tricks. We should play on strategies. After basic knowledge, we just need to show them. I'll tell you more regarding that. Now, a lot of people ask about how much to cover. Just 1 year, like for January, if there is January 2021, 2022 mains, we just need to prepare from December to December. Okay. Now, why 1 year? Because that is more than enough. Even if you cover 3 years, question will be asked in a way that you won't be able to answer. Because out of 20 questions, around 10-12 can be answered by almost every person. Almost every person. Okay? But the trick is to solve the rest 8 questions. And there comes answer writing part. Okay? What happens is, in answer writing, let me ask you a question. Regarding, okay, last year a question came on, write the features of National Clean Air Program. Okay, 15 marker question. Who studies National Clean Air Program? Okay. Now, even if you study a lot of current, but you will just study fact ki chalo it is decreasing PM 2.5 or something like that. Okay. Now, what happens is we need to write 3-page answers to take 15 marks. Now, how to do that? So me and my friend Athar, we prepared certain techniques that how to write even without knowing the answer. Okay. Now, like in this question particularly, I use the code let me tell you, let ICC. Okay. How it covers NCAP, I'll tell you regarding that. The first is legal aspect. Okay. So in legal aspect, we can quote that NCAP is in sync with Environmental Protection Act 1986. Just have that smart strategy. EPA 1986 is regarding almost everything. So it would be definitely related to this. Understood. Now, second is executive. So there will be, I thought there is always 3-stage monitoring system. National, state, district. I just wrote that. Okay. Now the third would be the technology. I wrote that it includes using technology like catalyzers, electrostatic precipitators, etc. Then I talked about international key, learning from international best practices like in European countries. Then I wrote about collaborative, then communicative, etc. And I could in this way frame 7 points when I did not know even a single one. Understood. So in this way, I prepared each strategy for each and every subject. Let me tell you. Okay. Similar strategy for history, society. I had an abbreviation, MUGS. Okay. So MUGS was urbanization, globalization, socialization, Sanskritization, and modernization. Now, in almost every society question, these processes can be used. Understood. So, our focus has to be tricking the checker that, okay, we know everything, because he's assessing you based on what you write in those 250 words. So, we have to perfect that 250 words. Now, next is in answer writing, what happens is, we all are focusing on test series. Sir, which test series to join, vision, forum, and whatnot. But let me tell you a few faults of this test series ecosystem. Okay. First is that almost 10 to 12 days are taken for checking a single paper. Now, you yourself forget that, okay, after 10 to 12 days, what did I write? What did I not write? What do I have to improve? Okay. Now there are general comments, and in that 12 days period, you have already written another paper. So test series has an issue, which I personally do not like. Okay. Now I personally focus more on daily answer writing part. Okay. Now, daily answer writing, why it is good? Write in time-bound manner, like we used to write 6-7 questions in an hour. Immediately give half an hour for reviewing it. Okay, reviewing it in the sense, okay, what mistakes I have committed, what are my strengths? Okay, I can improve on this. Immediately second day, apply it. Okay, immediately second day, apply it. How to evaluate them? Yeah, that is the problem. I only recommend like 2-3 options. First option would be to have a good partner, okay, who has written mains or have a bit of neck than others. Just take a help from each other, okay. But usually people do not get that. Second option would be to join anything. There are a lot of things, Convert IAS, IAS Network, Shunya IAS, or etc. There are a lot of things. Okay. I'm just telling you to join any for only 1 month. Okay. And check yourself whether you have improved your basic structure, your answering pattern, your introduction, conclusion, etc. Okay. I can guarantee that you will improve in just 1 or 2 months with daily answer writing, and much more than what you might be improving with test series. Okay, so have that your own strategy. That will be the best way to do it. Understood? Now, many people also have issue that, sir, how to write an effective answer? Now, answer everybody must be knowing that first should be first is introduction, second is body, third is conclusion, etc. But a lot of people do not understand that introduction. Okay, introduction is what you're introducing. When you're introducing yourself, you give a gist of whatever you are, right? A small gist. Now, in gist, we have to cover, like, there are 3-4 parts of a question. So try to just have a brief coverage of all. Okay. In that way, we can write a very effective introduction. Now, again, history, we need a bit of background for introduction so that it looks good. It gives an edge. In to say economy, we can quote some fact or relate it with the whatever question is asked. Okay. And in ethics, like, I'll cover ethics later because a lot of students have issue with that. Now, when you're covering in this way, subject specific strategy, even in introduction, so you have a clarity of mind. Okay, this subject will be answered in this way. This subject will be answered in that way. Understood? Like in geography, there are not lot of points to write. Okay, not lot of points to write. Like they ask some phenomena, some theory, etc. But what we can do is give a brief introduction of whatever they're asking, explain whatever they want you to tell, then put it in some theories or explain it in a bit elaborative manner. In other subjects, we need to do what? We need to put it in smaller points, use examples. But this is different. This requires your elaboration. Like if they're asking about, like they asked about that ring of fire zone. Okay. Now, ring of fire, we can talk about continental drift theory, sea tectonic, sea floor spreading, etc. But we cannot have 8 points for that. We need these 3-4 explanations. Another thing, that in geography, rather than creating a big picture or big diagram, create smaller diagrams. Play with the psychology of checker. Okay. Now, checker might be happy with your one diagram, but you yourself think that if you prepare 4-5 diagrams, he will think, okay, he has put more efforts. He has given 5 diagrams, that psychological impact. So play with the mind of checker to be in that 200 list. Okay, you have to stand apart. I myself remember that I used almost 4 to 5 case studies, which I prepared in advance. Okay, and the case studies are like very specific, so prepare in a way that it can be used in like different kind of topics. Lot of topics. Like I had a case study of poverty in Vidisha. Okay. So I could use it in inequality, women, children, rural area, remote area, tribal area, a lot of places. So we don't have to remember 200, 300 case studies. We just have to remember few, but apply them while we are practicing so much that in a real exam, it is not something unusual for us to put case study. Okay. Case study is not important, but standing out is important, because I'm telling you, out of 10,000 students, 6,000 to 7,000 study same, go through same test series, do everything almost same. So we need to have that an edge, and to get that edge, we need such strategies. Okay. Now, another thing I would like to add is regarding current affairs. Yes, current affairs, Vision or any monthly magazine. If you are giving whatever year you are giving me of that year, just prepare 1-page note of main relevant topics from any magazine in your own handwriting. Okay. So that will prepare a bunch of paper GS wise. Okay. It should be GS wise, so that before that GS you are revising that. Understood? So have that strategy for every GS, every subject. We have a strategy, not every topic. There are hundreds of topics, you will be confused. Prepare broad strategy for every subject and put it. Like I'll tell you an example. I prepared in advance China's model of industrialization, and I put it in three parts, three boxes, like millions of rural, labor intensive, etc. And I thought that, okay, I definitely use it. Now, understand, it can be used in industrialization, how to increase employment, how to improve the wages, how to improve per capita income in lot of points, improving poverty, local level governance, etc. So with that strategy, I prepared it, and in GS3, I wrote all the answers, and two, three were left. I remembered कि अरे I had to write China, so I put it in the relevant place. Okay.
So your voice
Sir,
is
you are
muted.
muted.
Hello, audible?
Yeah,
Yes,
audible.
yes.
Yeah, sir.
Please mute everyone. Do not unmute. Who is this? Okay. Yes. So I hope you understood. See, there's nothing kind of miracle that we have to do in mains. We have to put every small nuts on the right place. Every small, so that we perfect the process. I tell almost every aspirant, every person who asks me that focus on process, focus on perfecting the process. You will get the result, I guarantee you. What we do is, array, we are not getting that, we are not getting this. But are we focusing on our strengths, weaknesses? Are we improving the processes? No. In every consecutive 5 attempts, I have learned. I have consistently learned that, okay, we should do this. Okay, I lack in that. Like, I lack in certain part. I'll improve this. That is very important. That is very important. So assess yourself. And the little things that I have told you, just try to apply. Try to make notes in that way. Try to use newspaper magazines in that way. Okay, try to start answer writing in the form of daily pattern, so that you consistently improve. Got it? Now my last part would be ethics, because studying ethics is not that difficult. It's not that difficult. You can still write any ethics paper, at least in a decent way. But how to get that above 110, 120 marks? In ethics, we should always focus on definitely topic wise short notes. We should be ready with it, but lot of examples. Now, lot of example does not mean 200, 300 examples. Lot of examples means certain universal examples, like the Kudumshri model, like the ITC Chopal. Okay, lot of people, administrators, you must be knowing about Armstrong, right? IS Armstrong, and lot of people who can be used anywhere. Okay, just prepare like 50, 60 examples. And when you're writing, ethics should be made as objective as possible, because it is a subjective subject. Everybody is right in ethics while they are writing answers, and that is the problem. So how to make it objective? Any ethics answer, try to write in a way that it conveys logic. Logic has to be the priority. Ethics is a part of philosophy. That is my optional. My optional was philosophy, and philosophy and ethics both talk about logic. So if somebody is asking you a question, what is the basis of your answering? What is the basis of your like any suggestion in case study? Logic has to be very strong. There is no specific number of examples that should be or has to be used in this ethics or case studies or basic answers. But we should have a balance. Okay, we should have a balance of logic and examples. Even if you use 5, 6 examples, that is more than enough in ethics. Understood? So have a balance. Balance is very important. Please mute whoever is unmuted. Ashish Kumar. Yes. Understood. Okay, logic. Like any question, like we are talking about emotional intelligence. Okay, why emotional intelligence is needed? Okay. Now the basic answer can be okay, materialism, etc. But hit the root. Hit the root in terms of that the current process of socialization by parents, family, etc. are teaching intelligence, not emotional intelligence, leading to suicides, anxiety, depressions, etc. Now, examiner will know, okay, you know the root of the subject, you know the root of the topic, you know the logic, or you, when you, if a CM or PM asks you a suggestion, you will give them a good factual or a very detailed kind of logic based answer. They expect you to do that because you will be an administrator. Understood? So ethics has to be that way. Now, in case studies, there are certain 5 type of case studies. Okay, like personal relations or corporate relations, government, public servant conflict, etc. Okay. Now, try to categorize them and use specific strategies. Write in advance. What happens is, because we have paucity of time in the main paper, so we are not able to think out of the box. So prepare out of the box ideas in advance. Okay. Now, how to do that? Just, again, somebody is unmuted. Ajit Goswami. Okay. Now, how to do that? Like we can use, we can start with, in case studies, we can start with basic lawful ideas. From lawful to whistleblowing, we need 6-7 steps so that from lawful to whistleblower, so that the checker does not feel okay for everything you are whistleblowing things. Then you will not be an administrator. You will be an activist. So the checker shouldn't get that feel. Okay. So in case studies, prepare in advance regarding media, regarding journalists, or regarding writing editor column, something innovative using technology. So if you prepare such points in advance now, always remember, the better preparation you have, the more productive answer you will be able to write in the actual paper. Aditi Mehta, please mute yourself. Understood? So such small strategies now will help you a lot, help you immensely. Regarding answer writing, I've already told you, introduction, body, conclusion. Introduction has to be the gist. Conclusion should be a kind of way forward. Like in history, I always used to tell everyone, try to link it with present. Try to link it with present in the sense, if there's a question on Jallianwala Bagh or anything, you can link it with present. Key such kind of violence that affected the freedom movement, and if we do not take actions now, then this might be repeated in the form of civil war. Understood? So if you link history with the present, checker will get an idea, okay, he has a very broad understanding of everything. Understood? So have that thing. Now, this was a basic strategy for me. I know a lot of people have a lot of questions regarding this, but before starting that, I'll always tell everyone that focus on process, focus on internal motivation, focus on that passion that you have, and then only begin this process. Because keeping up with the process is like very heavy. So even in my journey, it was very difficult. So have that belief in yourself and then do it. Okay. Now I'll take few questions. A lot of people have a lot of questions. So I'll just open the Neeraj Kumar. Okay. Yes. So I'll just start with the questions. let me start from the beginning. I hope you all understood whatever I said regarding mains. Am I audible, Hannah? Did you get a bit of gist of how to do mains?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, starting with some questions. This is not a prelim session, so sorry, but I cannot guide you for that. Current affairs I've already discussed. Shunya magazine, yes, I used it in prelims this year and mains last year, so you can go with it. It is, I found it good, so make your own decision. Then please do tell something. Study. Yes, so a lot of people are feeling that the confidence is shattered after prelims because the prelims paper was itself very unusual and amazing. See, never lose your confidence, never lose faith. Let me tell you one thing that we had a felicitation program by Chief Minister of Madhya Pradesh today, and a lot of people came. So there was a girl with seventh attempt. I was shocked that how could she sustain herself, but she finally did it. She's finally giving speech on a platform. Lakhs of people are seeing her. Have that faith, Sakshi. Okay, you can do it. Sometimes failure comes, but overcoming that is the key. Always remember two things I used to tell myself. What are the alternatives? Private job and business. Do you want to do it? Would you like to see your life in that profession? If not, then stand up again and do it. I'll tell you the strategy. A lot of people are telling the strategy, but you need to have faith in yourself. Okay? I'm not feeling good. Okay. How to overcome the fear? Prelim session, I'll do it later. Don't worry. Prelims has become very tricky. I'll take it later. Shunya VAM, yes, Shunya, okay. How some light on the which month to cover? I've already told you for month, just 1 year past that whatever mains, prelims, etc. Right. So for 2021, you have covered from January 2020. That is more than enough. You do not need more than that. शून्य is mains notes मिलते ही नहीं है सर वो मुझे आइडिया नहीं है देख लेना आप बेटर रहेगा. Definitely it is possible that you can crack it by yourself. Coachings are just a catalyst. Yeah. Never take it as that without coaching you cannot do it. You will do it. Okay? You just need to strategize well. Monthly magazines, I used Vision IS throughout my preparation. A lot of questions directly came from it in mains, but still you need to have grip on how to answer with minimal knowledge. Which strategy did you join for mock tests? See, I just did mainly daily answer writing, and in the end, I just gave 4 tests of forum test series. But I still find that daily answer writing was the thing that brought me to 153 rank, not the forum IS test series. Regarding position of population, ठीक है. PYQ, yes, very good. PYQ. So I even did a program on ethics, and what we did was previous year questions. What happens is that previous year questions, a lot of times it happens that we are not able to utilize it. Utilize it in a way. First of all, understand what kind of questions are coming. Okay. Then lot of topics are repeated, so prepare notes on them and prepare certain examples for them. Even in our ethics session, which I took, we did that. We prepared 5-year PYQ and taught through that. So a lot of people could understand PYQ, ethics, and even remembered it. Okay, so try to have that grip. You will always feel lack of something, Himanshi. Okay. When I was sitting just before appearing for my interview in UPSC, I felt okay, I do not know everything. I felt okay, I am lacking in something. But what I thought was, in last interview, only one thing took me away from the list. That was nervousness. That was lack of confidence. Okay, and that little thing took my rank. This year, I thought I might not know 50% of the things, but I cannot lack confidence. And that helped me in getting a decent marks in interview. Okay, and even in mains. If I tell you a story, you will be amazed. Last year, I was going for GS3 ka mains paper. Okay, and when I was going, I was going through a cab. So when it stopped, I opened a gate and I met with an accident. Okay, and this is not a filmy story. This is a real story that happened with me. So I got a cut. I was bleeding from here, and just 8 minutes were left for my GS3 ka paper. So I had two options, either to cry over it or I had a handkerchief. So I just took it, put it on my head, and then went for the paper. Okay, I'm not saying that okay I did some heroing thing. No, I'm just telling you that have that passion inside you. Whatever problems come, issues come, hurdles come, you should have that focus on what your goal is. Okay, so that lackness, that lack of confidence, you will always find it. Okay. Now, resources for topics in mains. Okay, I have already told you, use vision value addition material, Shunya IS notes, etc. Anything. Don't go lot behind notes, topics. If you even search a topic and write UPSC in Google, and put and use the first site that is given, you will get what you want. Okay? You should know just how to filter it. What was your optional? My optional was philosophy. Mains 365. Okay, it has a good utility. But what happens is it comes after like 1 or 1.5 months of prelims. So you have a lot to do that time. You have to give tests. You have to study optional, a lot of things. So always remember that do not try to club things. If you combine things, club things, and leave things for the end, you will have a lot of problems. Okay. So that is why I always tell you, try to do it on your own and use Mains 365 as just value addition material. You use few facts or case studies from there and put it in your notes. Okay. Mains के लिए शून्य IS notes, they are good. मतलब मुझे ठीक लगे थे शून्य IS notes. यूज कर सकते हो आप. क्या नाम है आपका? हिडन स्टार. ठीक है, वेरी यूनिक नेम. फिर स्मार्ट ग्रुप ने लिखा है हाउ टू सर डिफरेंशिएट इन सीक्वेंस मेंटल बीसीएल मेंस प्लीज रिप्लाई. ओके, सी जीएस पेपर आई हैव ऑलरेडी टोल्ड यू रादर देन 1 2 3 4 prepare subject specific strategy. I have given you some, that polity IR, and it's just the same. We have to prepare in this way only for every subject. So have that edge. Vikas Bhagat, let me mute you. Okay, so have that subject specific strategy smart group rather than GS 1 2 3 4. Okay, that will help you, not GS based strategy. Yes, the time is sufficient for 2022 Prathipati. Sir, for minute utilization, we don't know what questions are, so how to filter down what to write in notes. In notes, just write few things. You need to write what, why, issues, solutions. Okay, what, why, issues, solution, some fact or some government scheme. That's it. Not even a single another thing. Okay, what, why, issues, solution, fact, government scheme. Just 6 things. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6. That's it. Okay. Now, Harpreet, I have already answered your smart. I have answered. What was your daily schedule? Okay. My daily schedule was I was a morning person, so I used to wake up at 7 8. I used to gym, then meditate, then go for my studies routine. And I also used to watch movies, but in a way that it is completed in my lunch and dinner time. Okay, so it used to take 2 3 days, so that my time is also not wasted and I am being relaxed as well. Okay, so 8 to 10 hours a day are enough, not because you need to study 8 10 hours, but because syllabus is so huge that you can cover it if you put these many hours. Okay, so with that mindset you have to write. Sir, I want to prepare my civil engineering. I think any optional, just give take toppers session. Some video will be there. See the syllabus. For engineering, if you have background, then only take it. And see syllabus, see PYQs, then decide whether you want to do it or not. How to write answers. Okay, so answers, a lot of people are asking. And as I told you about the daily answer writing thing, but with that, also remember, I'm also planning to conduct live answer writing sessions with students. Okay, so why? Because like in almost every subject, I'll try to tell you ki how to write, how should be your strategy. Ajit, please mute yourself. Okay, so that is why I was planning it live answer writing session, because a lot of people want help in mains. So you can try that as well, or just focus on daily answer writing. That will be more than enough. Okay, what is the minimum example I've given? Take a session for. Yes, I'll take a session for philosophy as well. Do not worry, Hemaja. Okay. Okay. How shall we identify themselves? How can we read newspaper? I've already told you. How shall we identify the GS for the news source, static and GS? Blog format, PDF. I'm planning to write a blog. Don't worry about it. Actually, I have been busy, but I'll try to do it as soon as possible and will let you know. Okay? Who told? Suman Datta. Okay, Suman? Then, okay, how much factual data? Do not put lot of facts. Have a healthy balance. Okay? Put logic, put some facts, but in a subtle way. Put it in box, put it in some maps, charts, but do not over focus on facts. Okay? Now, a lot of people have raised hand as well. I'll take few. Okay. Meha Satpati. Meha Satpati, please tell me what is your query?
Good evening, sir. I am a third year undergraduate student currently pursuing my graduation in the subject agriculture. So,
Okay.
could you please guide me how to start the preparation from scratch, that is from zero level?
Okay. You actually do one thing, because that will require a bit different session. Meha, you just do one thing. Message me on Telegram. Okay? I'll try to help you out. Okay, Meha?
Sir, you like ID.
ID I'll write. Wait. I'll write. I have just written this ID. It is not in caps. Okay? So use it and we'll solve it. Okay? Now next would be, just a second. Purva Jain. Yes, Purva. Purva is not there. Okay. Ankuran. Yes, Purva.
Okay, am I audible?
You're audible. Please tell me.
Okay, I was asking that the UPSC paper is subjective or objective?
It is subjective in terms of how you prepare. It is objective in terms of what you write. Okay? You have to subjectively create your own strategy so that when you write or attempt paper, you seem to be as objective as possible. Okay?
Okay.
Now,
And one more thing, I want to
yes.
ask the same question that I will appear in 2023
Okay.
for first year.
I've
So how will you start with it?
shared my ID. You can message on that. I'll try to help you as soon as I get time. Okay? Now, Ankuran. Yes, Ankuran.
Good evening, sir. So, sir, how to know that a particular topic is important from exam point of view, so that we know that a note should be made for that topic?
See, do not filter extremely. This is not there, this is there. Even if you feel ki, okay, in Vision Monthly, to quote an example, this topic might come, prepare very short notes for that. Okay? So do not be extremely selective.
Okay.
Understood?
Yeah. Thank you.
Next is Harshal Ingole.
Sir. Good evening, sir. I'm
Yes.
Harshal. Sir, actually, the thing is that I did not I will not be able to qualify the prelims this year. But
Okay.
the thing is that I'm also doing a job. So what will you tell me regarding my strategy? Should I focus on prelims first, or should I also
no,
go
no.
with mains also?
No. First, okay. So Harshal, I think you should go for mains. Definitely go for mains. At least prepare thoroughly mains till January. I told you about note making, short note making, start daily answer writing. Okay. So in this way, you will be able to strategize your preparation, because our purpose is to clear paper, not just prelims. Okay, Harshal? Now, next is Diksha Srivastava.
Hi, sir. Congratulations.
Thank you so much.
Sir, I just wanted to ask what kept you going? Like, what was the motivation after not clearing mains or interview or failing at any stage?
Okay, I think you have been my student, right?
Yes, sir.
Oh, yes. So, what kept me going? Actually, my inner desire. I've been thinking about this dream since my college time, and when I used to think about alternatives, that private job and government, business, I thought that no, I am not made for that. I can't just live my life to earn money. I like this job, the arena of this job, so I always thought, I'll do this, and that inner motivation. And see, I think for all the other students as well, a lot of people might have family issues, monetary issues, emotional issues, etc. Always use emotions as your strengths, opportunities. Have that set of mind ki, okay, one day I will change the root of these emotions. I will change the root of these situations. Okay? So have that feeling in your mind. Okay, next is Sankalp Pathodia.
Sir, I wanted to ask the one thing that, like you mentioned in all your strategy, that apart from knowing the static part or the knowledge we have about the questions, we need to be clever, we need to be smart for
Right.
the answer writing.
Right.
So, sir, you have appeared 5 times in this exam. So, have you been this clever since the very beginning,
No.
or like you have been with this with the time you became so clever?
Actually, Sankalp, nobody was there to tell me these things. That is why I consistently committed a lot of mistakes and learned myself that how to clear this exam. So
Exactly.
if only in this attempt I used all these tricks and was able to clear it. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Now,
Sir, but
next,
like for example, like the students who will be appearing next year or the very next year, next to next year. So, like, what should be our strategy, sir? For example, like you mentioned in the for the mains perspective, that we have to focus not only on the every topic, but we have to focus on the we have to combine the topics and then we have to write the notes. But sir, for example, when we talk about geography, then in geography it is like that there are a gamut of topics. Like there are geomorphology, and under the geomorphology there are subtopics as well. So, sir, how do we know that we should focus on this topic and we should leave this topic, or we should cover the comprehensive part of this topic?
no, nothing should be very deep. First thing. Secondly, do not go very deep, geomorphology, etc. Nothing. See the syllabus. There is earthquake, tsunami, disaster management, science tech, etc. Just go with the topics given in the syllabus. Always have that set of mind ki, okay, even if I study 20 topics, there will be 21st topic that will be asked. Okay. So just prepare basic notes for main topics that are given. That is more than sufficient. Okay. Yes.
Thank you.
Next is Milind Joshi.
Hello, sir.
Yes, Milind.
Congratulations, first of all.
Thank you, Milind. Thank you.
Sir, I was also in Vidyarthan, if you remember me.
Oh, okay. You have been my library one. Okay.
Yes, yes.
Good. Yes, tell me.
Sir, I want to ask, what were the mistakes you have committed? That's why you took so much time.
Mistake first one was that I did not have anyone to tell me what to do, how to do. Secondly, my answer writing was a bit lacking, which I gradually improved and understood. Okay, in this way the marks are to be taken from checker, and that is why I'm doing this live answer writing session, so that those mistakes I can convey and the repetition does not happen. Then third mistake was that in essay paper I was not able to improve my marks because I was writing a bit GS kind of answer or a static kind of thing. So I tried to improvise it by making it dynamic, making it a bit emotional and bit connective to the checker. Okay. Now, next is Utkarsh.
Yeah, good evening.
Sir, should notes be prepared
Utkarsh
for...
Shukla, then Utkarsh Gupta. Okay. Yes. Yes, Utkarsh Shukla.
Yes, sir. Sir, should notes be prepared for polity section of GS2?
See, polity
Lakshmikant is
section
enough.
is not all topics, but topics like quasi-judicial, then separation of power, constitutional comparison, certain topics only, not every topic. Okay. Now,
And sir, should we learn article numbers also apart from fundamental rights and
yes,
TPSPs?
not every article. Anudeep Durshetty, the first ranker, has prepared a list of important articles. Just use that. Be smartly do it. Okay.
Okay.
Now,
And sir,
yes, Utkarsh.
Sir, in economy, the topics mentioned are very broad. For example, they have mentioned investment models. So now you suggested that don't go into too deep. So exactly how to go for this? Like, should I make notes on
Yes, I'll tell you.
PPP model?
Investment models. So almost every investment model has similar kind of problem, market risk and regulatory risk, etc. Then just prepare HAM, EPC, BOT, the basic models that are given. Then there is a committee, Kelkar committee, use that. So if you have a broad framework, you can write any model they ask. Okay?
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Now Kavna Gowda. Sorry if I
Hello,
mispronounced
sir.
it.
Yeah, good
Yes.
evening, sir.
Good evening.
Sir, I had this doubt, like I had given the prelims this year, so I couldn't clear it. So
Okay.
how should I strategize now for my mains and so that I get through this exam like next year?
Okay.
So what should be my
First of
focus?
all, start with optional notes preparation. I am telling almost everyone, whoever will be asking this question, prepare optional notes, paper wise, and make them as concise as possible. Parallelly, also prepare GS notes and complete it by December or mid-January. Okay. After that, in January, February, do answer writing as well. Okay. And then from March, April, May, do for the prelims. Okay. So strategize in 3-3 period. Okay.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, sir.
Here, Utkarsh Mishra is also present.
Yes, tell me.
So there is a question. How can I categorize topic-wise subjects, topic-wise preparation?
Okay. See, topic-wise preparation, I told you, wait, I'll mute you. So topic-wise, I told you just prepare 1-2 page notes. That is more than enough. Okay. And after that, just have a broad strategy for the subject. You will be able to handle it. Okay. Now,
So there is another question.
Yes.
So, what is the demand of a particular subject time duration?
Sorry, I could not understand. What is the?
सर एक्चुअली मैं जानना चाहता हूँ कि जैसे पॉलिटी का हो गया तो पॉलिटी कितने दिन में कवर किया जा सकता है?
देखिए प्रीलिम्स के लिए पॉलिटी लक्ष्मीकांत 1.5 दिन में भी पढ़ी
या
ठीक है तो आप ये मत सोचो
वो तो सर मल्टी
ठीक है ये मत सोचो कि कितने दिन ये सोचो कि आप कितने पढ़ सकते हो
वो तो सर मल्टीपल रीडिंग्स के बाद आपको कर मिला होगा इतना
हाँ तो मैं वही बोल रहा हूँ जब आप स्टार्ट करेंगे
तो
मे बी हाँ
यस बोलिए आप
तो स्टार्टिंग में शायद 10-15 दिन लग सकते हैं बट ग्रेजुअली रिड्यूस है ठीक है
ओके
राहुल रॉयल you want to ask? You appear to be raising hand. Okay. Now, Sachin is consistently asking a question. Sir, how shall we identify themes in every to make notes for both static and current? Okay. See, Sachin, you don't have to identify themes. You have to identify topics. Okay. Identify topics given in main syllabus. Identify topics given in current affairs. And just prepare notes. Why are you going for themes? I'm telling you to prepare just the broad strategy for it. Just do it. That is more than enough. Okay, Sachin? Okay, specific conclusions.
Hello, sir.
Do not prepare conclusions and introductions for topics. Prepare for subjects. Okay, just prepare 3-4 introduction conclusions, and you will be able to fit in almost every kind of question in that particular subject. Okay, Drishti? Yes, Mr. Perfect. You want to ask me anything?
Yes, sir. Sir, congratulations for your success, sir.
Thank you.
Sir, actually, sir, I gave this prelims 2021, but sir, I am failing CSAT. Then, sir, I am very feeling dejected, sir.
Okay.
What to do, sir, next, sir?
See, CSAT, study certain portion that is repeatedly asked in maths, like the work, then data imputation, etc. Then for this paragraph wala thing, you have to practice a bit because it has become too complex. But I would always suggest to take out answer from the question itself, that I do. Okay, I even recently did. Okay, that is the best way to do CSAT. Understood?
Yes, sir.
So prepare in that way. Yes.
Sir, what should be the next strategy? At least, sir, I covered my whole optional before prelims 2021. I am fully prepared with my optional. Sir, then I am just lacking in prelim strategy, sir. How to strategize the prelims for 2022, sir?
See, prelims, as you're saying, you're already clearing GS, but not CSAT. And we have discussed CSAT, so I think don't do anything different. If you're able to get good marks in GS, just focus a bit more on CSAT. Okay?
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Now, how to start writing? We started with standards.
Hello, sir.
Yes,
I want to ask
definitely.
you a question.
Yes, Mayank, tell me.
Sir, this time I'm hoping to clear prelims.
Okay, good.
So I want to know how should I strategize till the prelims result is coming?
Okay, so I have told almost everyone, if you have prepared notes, good for you. If you have not prepared, then go for this Shunya IS ka mains notes or anything like that, okay, which are concise in manner, so that you can directly use it. Okay. After
Sir, one more thing.
Yes.
Sir, I've already prepared notes. The thing which I was asking, should I go for ethics and optional till the prelims result is coming? Then I'm reading newspaper daily, so that my GS will be
okay. So for next 15 days, try to prepare all your basics of optional and your GS, like current affairs must be left or anything is left, just prepare that. Okay. Ethics, focus more on answer writing. Okay. That will help you better. Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
What are the things to be included in IR notes? IR notes, just prepare 10-20 countries are there, okay, which are usually asked. Then there are 10-20 organizations which are asked. Okay. Now in countries, prepare in 3 parts: economy, strategy, and soft power. Okay. Economy, we can write the trade, the pacts, etc. Strategy, defense relation, maritime relation, etc. In this way, prepare for almost every country, the 20-15 countries. You will be able to write any IR answer I'm telling you. Okay. History.
Hello, sir.
Yes, Ramya.
Sir, I have a query regarding the mains answer writing. So I'm not able to write, build up the answer on my own. So, like I started with the daily answer writing with the Insight Secure. But the problem is I'm not able to frame the answer. I'm just collecting the articles and I'm just writing it and getting evaluated. So my query is, should we mug up all those things, or how to cope up with this answer writing? I'm not
Okay.
able to understand.
See, because you're doing it alone, that is the problem. As I told earlier as well, either take some partner who is experienced or take some this whatever coachings I mentioned, Convert IS Network, Shunya IS, etc., and write with them. Until there is someone who will tell you what are your mistakes, you will not improve.
No, I'm just
Okay.
getting it evaluated by the insights itself. But the thing is, I'm not able to remember the points which I write. I'm able to collect the points and I'm able to structure the answer, but not on my own, by seeing it.
Okay. See, it takes a bit time. Okay. I'm telling you subconsciously they will be in your head. ठीक है? But after reading 3-4 times, you will be able to put it in actual words. So, yes.
The thing is, I have to mug it up, like near the mains. I have to mug it up all those answers that I have written, right?
Yes, not just mugging up. Yes, definitely you need to remember a lot of stuff, but also focus on understanding. Focus on keywords. If you know the word, you will be able to write the whole sentence. Okay?
So one more question, and regarding the keywords. So suppose in geography, like for each topic, I would have made the notes. But if the exam demands like some other question which is not in the syllabus, for example, a permafrost, that is not in the syllabus. I mean, that is not given in any textbook. So in that case, how would you able to frame a proper answer for that? So when you know nothing about that.
As I told you, certain frameworks you need to create. Like for geography or environment, I prepared CCTDRS. Okay? It included climate change, temperature, drought, rainfall, sea surface, etc. So prepare these kind of frameworks based on what you write. I'm telling you, you'll be immensely benefited. Your marks will increase. Okay?
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Priyanka Nagraj, you want to ask anything?
Sir, I have a question, sir. Sir, I have one more question, sir.
Yes, Mr. Perfect.
Yes, sir. Sir, actually,
Yes, sir.
how
Good
to do
evening,
the...
sir.
Yes, Priyanka, just a second. Yes, tell me.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Not an issue. Not an issue.
Yes.
Okay, sir. Sir, actually, sir, I have not started the answer writing till now, sir. I have a fear of writing a good answer, sir. Actually, a type of fear which developed over time. Sir, how to overcome this fear and how to write an effective answer up to the next prelims?
First of all, you need to remove the fear by writing it. Okay? Even I had that when I was firstly writing an answer. So just practice it, you will remove that fear. Okay? But practice it with right people so that you improve rather than just be stagnant. Okay? Now, Priyanka.
Hello, sir. Good evening.
Yes.
Congratulations, sir.
Thank you.
So, like, my optionals are public administration.
Okay.
Hello?
Yes, tell
Okay,
me.
fine. So, am I audible, sir?
Definitely audible. Please tell me.
Okay. So, like, I wanted to know how to approach it, sir. Like, the approach of public administration answer writing. Will it be the same the way I do it for the mains? I mean, the other
No.
GS papers, or does it has a different approach, sir?
Definitely, every optional has a different approach. It is definitely different from GS. And because I did not have that option, so I won't be the right person to comment on that. So I think you should watch some other toppers, then that will be better. Okay?
Okay, fine, sir. Sir, one more question. Can I continue?
Yes, tell me.
So how should we, correlating Yojana's current affairs to the mains answer writing, sir?
I do not believe in Yojana and all Kurukshetra. Okay? Why? Let me tell you a reason. Single topic, lot of pages. Are we doing PhD on that topic?
Okay.
Understand? You have to write 250 words. Remember that. Have that mindset. So just write that much. Make that those many notes only. And you can do some basic maths. Why do you have to put your time in this Yojana and Kurukshetra? Understood?
So then, now I'm reading newspaper, like it's an Indian Express. I read every day.
Okay.
And I have subscribed for Yojana. Should I stop it and only continue with my newspapers?
See, that will be your call. But I would tell you to just stick with magazines and newspapers. That is more than enough. Okay?
Okay. Indian Express is fine, no, sir?
Yeah, very good. I also use that. I use that only. Yes, Tanvi, tell me.
Thank you, sir.
Hello.
सर many congratulations.
Thank you, Tanvi. Thank you. बताइए.
मेरा सवाल ये है कि आंसर राइटिंग 28 करने के बाद करनी चाहिए, किसी पर्टिकुलर खत्म किया उसका आंसर राइटिंग करनी चाहिए. आपके लिए ज़्यादा हेल्पफुल क्या है? मतलब
देखो दोनों ही चीजें अपने अपने में अपनी अपनी स्ट्रेटेजी होती है, लेकिन अगर एक सब्जेक्ट हो गया है तो पैरेलली स्टार्ट कर सकते हो, ठीक है, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है उसमें। तो थोड़ा थोड़ा लिखते रहोगे डेली, दो तीन क्वेश्चन, तो एक आपको एज मिलती रहेगी, ठीक है।
Sir, I have one more question, sir. Sir, one more question, sir. Only.
अच्छा, tell me.
Actually, sir, I am using the Hindu newspaper, sir, for daily news. But sir, I have seen a trend in the Hindu. It always wrote against the government, sir. So then, how to use it effectively for man's answer writing, sir?
See, whether they are writing for or against doesn't matter. If you find it useful, the article, use it. Otherwise, don't use it. That is your call. Hindu is not telling you to use it, even if you don't want to use it. Just use it if you want, right?
Okay, sir. Okay,
Okay. Sachin, BG, you want to ask anything? Himani is saying something. Sorry, Sachin.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
Himani, tell me.
Congratulations, sir.
Thank you, Himani. बोलिए.
Sir,
Can I ask? Okay.
Just a second, Sachin. Yes, Himani.
सर जो आपने केस स्टडी के बारे में बताया, जैसे आपने चाइना मॉडल बताया, तो आंसर में चाइना मॉडल को पुट कर सकते हैं क्या?
अरे क्यों नहीं कर सकते? इट इज अ वेरी गुड कंट्री इन टर्म्स ऑफ इकोनॉमी, बिल्कुल करो।
ओके। और सर जो केस स्टडी है उनके लिए आप थोड़ा सा बता दीजिए कैसे प्रिपेयर करना है।
देखो, पेपर में बहुत कुछ आती है केस स्टडीज, ठीक है, बट उसको सिर्फ 4-5 सेंटेंसेस, मतलब मैं डायरेक्ट लिख देता था डैश करके इंडियन एक्सप्रेस, उसको ऐसे अपने पेपर में जो कॉपी होती थी साइड में केस स्टडी लिखता था, 4-5 सेंटेंस लिखे छोटे से, और नीचे लिख देता था इंडियन एक्सप्रेस। दैट इज मोर देन इनफ। उतना ही लिखना है। तुम्हें अगर 2 पेज की केस स्टडी है, उसको 4-5 सेंटेंस में बदलो, छोटे से में लिख दो और उसको यूज कर लो, ठीक है। ऐसी 10 केस स्टडी बना लो जो कि कहीं भी डल जाए, वो मोर देन इनफ है, ठीक है।
Hello, sir.
Yes, Sachin.
So first of all, congratulations and thank you for doing this session for all of us. And so what I meant by themes is like, do you have that list like 50 topics for given GS1, 50 topics for GS2? Like if you prepare notes for these topics, you are ensured of your static is done. All you have to do is like you have to prepare, identify the topics and then prepare it from current affairs. So what I'm asking is basically like, do you have that list of topics which we have to make notes for sure? Like that's like eternal, like that will come for every round of UPSC cycle. Because the current affairs part we can identify and we can do that, but static mates, since many are also pointing that like geography may there is too much, like even in modern history what they have mentioned is just great personalities and events, but it's too broad. Like, so do you have that list of topics which we have to make notes for sure?
I think even UPSC is not sure of that list, because what they will ask even they don't know. Okay, so do not try to do that. Just prepare basic things. Like in modern history, as you referred, there are certain main events which happened in modern history. Focus on that. There are certain personalities which are important. Just focus on that.
That's what. Okay. Can we get that list? Like, have you prepared one for yourself? Like,
no list. I do not believe in preparing list. I believe in preparing frameworks. Okay, for every subject, and I put them. Like they ask question on Mahatma Gandhi, that he is very famous. Leave him. Anyone. Okay. Just you know that he was present in this time. You must know that much. Okay. And the basic ideology that he has. Now it depends on your what framework you have made. You will be able to write.
Like, can we get that framework for every GS paper set? Like, are you doing any program for this year?
I'll be doing the live answer writing session, as I said earlier. Okay, and I'll do that in a way ki subject specific, because I've already done 3 courses for economy, art and culture, and ethics. Okay, 3 courses I've already done. So in that also I have told the same thing, and in the live answer writing session I'll be covering all the subjects except these 3, and will write answers with you, tell your mistakes, and also tell you the strategy for it. So you will be able to do it.
Okay, sir. Can we access those previous courses, sir? Like if we haven't attended?
Yes, message Harshada. She handles the group. IAS prerequisite. You all can do that. IAS prerequisite. She will solve your queries. Okay.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Okay.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes. Now another is Sachin is done. Hitesh Kumbhar.
Excuse me, sir. I have another question, sir.
Yes, tell me. Yes, tell me.
सर मैं ये पूछना चाहता हूँ कि ये मंथली जो कंपाइलेशंस होते हैं ये सफिशिएंट होते हैं सर कि मुझे डेली
Hello.
Yes, sir, you.
I think he is gone.
Sir,
No
I
problem.
want
Am
to
I audible,
ask.
sir?
Sorry, Meg, just a second. Utkarsh is completing. Yes, Utkarsh.
सर मैं ये पूछना चाहता हूँ जो ये मंथली मैगजीन्स कंपाइलेशंस होते हैं करंट अफेयर्स के लिए सफिशिएंट है कि डेली हमको न्यूज़पेपर्स पढ़ना चाहिए?
देखो पढ़ना मेनली मंथली ही चाहिए, लेकिन न्यूज़पेपर से मैंने पहले अभी बता चुका हूँ कि बस छोटी छोटी चीजें उठाओ और यूज करो आंसर्स में, जो कि एक्चुअली मंथली में दी नहीं रहती है। तो उससे तुम्हारे मार्क्स इनहेंस क्यों होते हैं? क्योंकि वो एनरिच करते हैं। तो सब नहीं लिखेंगे, वो तुम्हें एज देगा। ठीक है। नाउ शुभम सिंह, यू वांट टू आस्क एनीथिंग? यू हैव अनम्यूटेड योरसेल्फ।
Thank you, sir.
Hello, sir.
Yes,
Are you
Shubham.
listening?
Yes,
Sir,
yes.
can I
Tell
ask
me.
something about prelims, please?
Sorry, Shubham. Though, I'll do that session as well. ठीक है, this is for mails.
Sir, actually, sir, I was having a problem in biology. I was not able to solve the questions of biology, so I want to ask you the source
Yes.
from where I can get that. So,
Just study basic NCERT for science. ठीक है. Because that is required. We can't do anything now because they're asking such questions. ठीक है. Now, Mehak,
sir.
yes, Mehak, you are asking something.
Sir, I am a first year student.
Okay.
मतलब I just.
Okay. Yes. Hello, Mac is gone, I think.
Sir, I want to know your book list. You have studied in your.
Okay, I'll share in the group. As prerequisite, I'll share in the group. You can
Okay,
see
sir.
from there. Okay. Yeah. Now,
Hello, sir. Can
I'll
I ask my questions?
Yes, Monish, ask me.
Yes, sir. I have 4 questions. So shall I ask one by one, or I can ask in one go only?
Yeah, one by one. Okay. Yeah.
Yes, sir. My first question is, how can we self-evaluate our answers?
Self-evaluation, focus on introduction. Is it doing the gist of it? Okay. Body, are you structuring it in a manner that you're writing points, enough points with examples? Okay. Are you dividing answers based on what question is asking? Okay. Third thing,
Yes.
Are you giving some government schemes or good facts to support your answer? Then in conclusion, are you giving a good vision or way forward for it? Okay. Next question.
Yes. Sir, my second question is, when I practice my answers, my points are not that much of crisp like toppers, right? My points are going for 4 or 5 line sentences, not of 1 or 2 line, crisp and accurate points.
See, that comes with practice. If you are able to understand that you're writing more than what is required, you will be able to reduce it. Just put it in passive manner. Rather than active sentences, make passive sentences, you will reduce it. Okay?
Yes, sir. Sir, you told about using gel pen. So is there any specific reason for gel pen or ball pen, or we can use any?
No. I didn't say gel pen. I said just I used to use V7RT because for the ink that we put on the paper should be in a way that it sustains for at least month. Ball pen get blurred or reduces the effectivity of ink. That is why I don't use that. Yes, next question.
सर V7 कभी कभी सर थोड़ा इंक उसकी फैलती है, मतलब ऐसा लगता है उसके ऊपर हाथ रख जाता है।
अब हाथ मत रखो यार, तो बेहतर है। ठीक है, अब कुछ कर नहीं सकते उसका।
वही कार्ट्रिज सिस्टम वाला ना 0.7।
हाँ, V7RT, नॉट V7, V7RT। अब बाकी कुछ भी यूज करो यार, मैं कुछ वो नहीं बोल रहा।
And sir, my fourth question is, what we have to do in those questions in which we don't have much idea or much content in the examination?
देखो मोनीश, मैं वापस रिपीट कर रहा हूँ, फ्रेमवर्क्स बनाओ। जैसे मैंने एग्जांपल दिए, लेट ICC, CCT DRS या फिर और भी चीजों के, ऐसे फ्रेमवर्क्स बनाओ और उनको पुट करो। ठीक है, सब्जेक्ट वाइज फ्रेमवर्क्स बनाओ, तुम करोगे मजा आएगा और तुम समझोगे कि नहीं, मार्क्स ऐसे आते हैं, ना कि सिर्फ पढ़ के। ठीक है। नाउ एस घोष, टेल मी एस घोष।
Good evening, sir.
Yes.
I'm
And congratulations, sir. Sir, I have some doubts regarding this syllabus of mains, sir. For
Okay.
the questions are said that in the syllabus of history, it is stated that Indian culture covers the silent aspects of art form, literature, and architecture from ancient to modern times. Sir, my question is, then, sir, the medieval history is only in the art and architecture, or elsewhere in the GS1, sir? Yes, GS1, sir.
You're asking that art and culture coverage, है ना?
Yes, sir. That medieval history is only in art and culture, or anywhere else also, sir? So sometimes I'm not able to segregate the syllabus from prelims and mains, sir. It is my problems sometimes, sir.
For art and culture, you don't have to segregate as well. Okay? Because almost same things are asked. So rather than that, and even in art and culture, even if you read everything, I'll quote you a question I taught in my course. Art and culture, I taught you an abbreviation. I answered Pal Dynasty questions which came this year. I did not know, I only knew one point, and it was a 10-marker question, what to do. So I used my framework that I created, and I could write 7 points. 7 points I could write. Okay? So prepare such frameworks in advance. That will help you. Okay?
Sir, then, sir, I have some more questions, sir. So I'm doing all of my own. That's why I have some more and more questions, sir. Please clear that, sir.
Okay, ask us. Yes.
Sir, then, sir, in the main section, apart from Indian culture, there is no medieval history, right, sir?
Right.
And sir, for Indian society, sir, or social issues, we have to read, sir, NCERT books or Ramanuja or etc. Very advanced, sir.
I did not read any of them. I just prepared my notes, know about the basic social issues happening. And the questions they are asking are so ambiguous that you will still not be able to write. Okay? So make basic notes and then make it as objective as possible, because they ask like, is communalism happening? Such kind of question came. Okay? So in such questions, we need to be as objective as possible. Just write positive, negative stuff. Okay? In that way, you will be able to answer.
Sir, then, sir, I have to prepare these words, these particular words like communism, etc. Then, from where I can get my fodder, sir?
First, as I told you, vision, value addition, Shunya IAS, or just write the topic and write UPSC in front of it. You will know. Okay? Now.
Sir.
Yes.
Sir.
So for daily answer writing.
Sir, I have not finished, sir.
Okay, ask me.
Sir, and sir, how have you prepared, sir, these international institutions, agencies, sir? How we have to cope this up, sir?
Only those which come in news are important, so prepare from them. Any magazine, that is more than necessary.
And sir, bilateral, regional and global grouping, sir? Any book or anything like that?
Grouping, again, almost we know, on tips we can know certain groupings. Okay? Like ASEAN, BRICS, UN, etc. And whatever comes in news, IR is mostly asked from news, so take that will be more than enough.
Then, sir, and sir, one question more, sir. Sir, how we have to prepare, sir, these environmental portions, sir, disaster management or sir...
disaster management, use Forum IS book. Okay, it has a book, very small book for disaster management. That is more than enough. Okay?
And sir, the environmental and impact assessment, sir. These.
Sorry?
Sir, environmental and impact assessment, sir. This conservation, environmental pollution, and
okay. Just prepare notes. What is this? What are the amendments that happened recently? Issues, solutions. That's it. Okay.
And sir, for this thing, I have to read that Forum IAS book that you have suggested.
Yes. Just read that. You will be able to do it. Okay.
So what is the name, sir?
Forum IAS, some CPB something. I don't remember, but something like that. Okay.
Sir, if you remember, sir, please tell in the group or.
If you type on Google, Forum IAS disaster management, you will get it. Okay. Now, next,
Okay, sir.
Maria
Thank you, sir.
Sneha,
Thank you,
MS.
sir.
Daily answer writing.
Good evening,
Good
sir.
evening, sir.
MS. First, I'll take question from MS. He's waiting, or he is waiting. Whoever is. Tell me.
Good evening, sir.
Yes.
For daily answer writing, you used to learn the answers and then write, or you used to just straight away write the answers.
No, I used to straight away write because we need to prepare our mind that in any condition we can write. So just use that. Which initiative? See, we did, as I told you, I did with Atharv, one of my friends. And but if you want, you can take Convert IAS or Shunya IAS, any such thing, and use it. Okay? Now,
Sir, like if I have to write the answers of GS3, then sir, at least 5-4 days before, I will be revising those notes of GS3 and then only writing it. Or
yeah,
you
that is
used to
your
like,
call. That is your call. But I would suggest you will always be in that cycle, learn, write. But you have learned it already. So write it anytime. Be ready for any time because any question can come. Okay?
Thank you, sir.
Yogita,
Sir, I
you were
have
asking
two more
something.
questions, sir. Please, sir.
Yes, as good, please wait. I'll ask other people. Yogita, tell me.
Yes, good evening, sir.
Good
Firstly, I
evening.
want to congratulate you for your
Thank you.
success and want to give you my best wishes for your future.
Thank you.
And sir, since I'm fresher, so can I contact you on your Telegram channel tomorrow? Or will you be
Yeah, sure.
free?
Yeah.
Free
You
at
just
morning?
leave a message. I'll contact you as soon as possible. Okay?
Okay, thank you, sir.
Okay.
Thank you.
Now Yogita is done. Utkarsh Gupta.
Sir, those two questions, sir.
Just as good, please wait.
Sir.
I have answered. No? Just please wait. Yes, Priyanka, you want to ask?
Yeah, I'm sorry for interrupting, sir.
Tell me.
Hello.
Yes, tell me.
Yeah, sir, I just got this link through a random group. So, is there any specific group which I can join? Or how can I
Group for
contact you? So, you just said me about the
IS
live main session.
prerequisite.
I'm very keen.
IS
I'm sorry,
prerequisite.
sir.
IS prerequisite. I'll write it.
IAS prerequisite.
This is the group that you can contact me on. Wait, I'll just write.
Which is the group, sir?
I have written on the message. Okay. Now, next question.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Sir, I
All the
want to
best.
ask.
Who is asking?
Hello, sir. Sir,
Yes,
I want to
cool.
ask that for my second.
MS is
Yes, sir.
asking, right?
Sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir. Sir, I
Yes.
want to ask that I have given this year's prelims, but unfortunately, I'm not qualifying. So, sir, for my second attempt, I just have 7 months. So, sir, how to manage these 7 months strategically? How to plan them?
I have already answered, but I'll answer again. Prepare 3 months in like till December, January in a way that you are done with your optional and GS notes. Okay. Base, first prepare base, then go for the next stage. January, February, go for answer writing. From March, only focus on prelims. That is more than sufficient. Okay.
Sir, but sorry to interrupt, but sir, I failed prelims. So, sir, I'm not very much confident to crack prelims in next 3 months from March onwards, sir. So I want to give more time.
Start from February. Okay.
Yes,
February, do answer writing and also start prelims, but partially. Then
Okay, sir.
so that you left 3.5
Sir,
months.
Hello, sir. So that, sir.
Yes, MS.
Sir,
Last question. Yes.
to infer, sir, to infer, like you are saying that for November, December, January, prepare optional plus mains bit of content, but from February onwards, answer writing plus prelims preparation.
Yes, right.
Hello, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Yeah, sir. Sir, first of all, thank you for the session. And so you mentioned about that citing the examples like the China's example that you gave. So my question is that what percentage of the total answer should these kind of examples occupy? Like, should we elaborate them or just mention them and leave there? Like, how much to elaborate in answer exactly when we
No,
when we
don't
address the question?
elaborate much. Balance it. If you have 2 lines for explaining point, just write small 1, 2, 3 words example. If you have only 1 line, write 2 line example. Okay. So manage it according to the point.
All right.
Okay. Yeah.
And sir, one
Anshuman
more.
Pandey. Yes, cool.
Sir, you talked about having general introduction. So, sir, doesn't it become repetitive in the same like GS tools? We have common,
No.
like let's suppose 10.
See, I'm not telling you to write same introduction, but prepare broad introductions so that you know how to approach answers. Okay. Now we have in every GS we have 3-4 subjects, so repetition is not possible. Okay.
Right.
Yeah, Anshuman.
Hello, sir.
Yes, Mayank, I'll come.
Good evening,
Yes,
sir.
I'll come back.
Yes,
I'll
sir.
come back.
Sir.
First, I'll ask Anshuman. Okay. Yes, Anshuman.
Sir, I have two questions, sir. One is that in initial stage, how to form a structure? How can I know that this is the right structure for the answer? Means for initial stage, how to learn framing the structure of the answer?
I'll repeat. Introduction, just cover the gist of question. Then see whether you are able to structurize it in a way you're able to put it in differences. See all the parts are covered, then put it in small points and then do it. Okay? Then conclusion. Start with that, then go to the next stage by getting someone to check. Okay? Now,
सर
Hello, sir.
yes,
करंट
yes, sir.
अफेयर्स के लिए सर जिस हिसाब से अभी सिनेरियो चेंज हुआ है, जैसे स्पोर्ट्स डाला है, मतलब रैंडम करंट अफेयर, तो मतलब तो द हिंदू पूरा प्योर रीडिंग करनी है, मतलब स्ट्रेटेजी कैसी, मतलब स्लाइटली चेंज करनी पड़ेगी, मतलब करंट अफेयर्स के लिए?
देखो क्या है, कितना भी पढ़ लो प्रीलिम्स के लिए वो दिक्कत आती ही है, तो थोड़ा बहुत अब अपने को फैक्चुअल भी वी हैव टू स्टडी factual as well as per the trend, but focus on answering even with minimal knowledge. वो उसको आप जैसे एक क्वेश्चन था आर्बर इंटरनेशनल हैदराबाद ट्री सिटी, तो आंसर मिलता यूएन कैपिटल डेवलपमेंट फंड से, कोई सेंस ही नहीं है यूएन कैपिटल डेवलपमेंट फंड का. ठीक है, तो उस हिसाब से ट्राई करो अप्रोच करने का प्रोब्लम, दैट विल हेल्प यू. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट
सर स्पोर्ट्स सेक्शन का भी एक पढ़ने लगे क्या, अब एक पेज द हिंदू में लास्ट वाला? सर योर माइक इज ऑफ.
जस्ट अ
सर
सेकंड
माइक.
होल्ड. हेलो. यस. ठीक है.
यस सर.
तो वो मुझसे
Hello,
मत
sir.
पढ़ो, बट थोड़ा बहुत हो जाता है. यस मैम, टेल मी.
Yes, sir. Sir, I have joined, sir. Hello, sir. Sir, a question is regarding to answer writing, sir. The question is, sir, is handwriting matters?
Yes, it matters. You should write it neatly, not like very in a very fashionable manner, just neatly. Okay.
And sir, when one should start to answer writing, sir?
If it is possible, start from today itself. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yes. Palak Neelam.
Sir, as we all know that we say that hard work and consistency is the key. So how we push ourselves to do that much hard work and to be consistent, as it takes so much efforts. So how did you do that?
You should know that you don't want to do anything else. You should know that you should be ready for your failure. You should know that this will change your life. I can tell from my experience, since the day the result came, I used to put alarms for studying, writing or something. Now I put alarms for meeting people. Okay, have that motivation. Okay. Yes. Next is Raghavendra Supreet. No Raghavendra. Okay.
Hello, sir.
Rishabh Anand. Acha, Raghavendra, yes, has come. Yes, tell me,
Hello,
Raghavendra.
sir. Yeah. How to prepare ethics example, sir, for mains GS work?
Ethics example, even in newspapers come, but just take list from Shunya IS. They have prepared it immensely. Why to unnecessarily put time? That will be more than enough. Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Next is Rishabh Anand.
Yes, sir. Sir, I think I'm going to clear prelims this year. So, and I have my optional notes ready. But sir, I don't think there is enough time to prepare, topic-wise self notes for GS, all GS papers. or all GS topics. So what platform is there from
use
where I can use notes?
use Pune IAS का mains notes. They are good. I also used it. Use it. ठीक है?
Thank you.
Next is Milind Joshi.
Sir, my optional is also philosophy.
Okay.
So I want to ask how should I?
I'll put a session on that. I'll put a session where we'll discuss. Okay. Okay. S. Ghosh, last question. Now I have to go. S. Ghosh.
Okay, sir. So thank you, sir, for giving me the opportunity. Sir, my question is for modern India. I have to read Spectrum and Bipan Chandra both, or
Just
any
Spectrum.
one of them?
Just a Spectrum.
Spectrum. And for the reorganization, this part, sir, this will also covered by Spectrum, sir.
Yeah.
And for world history, sir?
World history, just read that Vision IAS के notes हैं, a bit thick. लेकिन try to concise them. Make your own notes. ठीक है? Very short. That will be helpful. And for only the important topic, not every topic. ठीक है?
I have to type this. How to get this vision material, sir? Sir, actually, I'm a new one, sir. I'm the beginner. I have no one to help, sir. That's why I'm getting so much problem, sir.
Don't worry. Do one thing, na. Take some mains notes. You might be thinking, but again, the Shunya IAS के world history notes are good. Very short. मतलब you might be thinking I'm promoting them, but they are actually good.
Okay, sir. Thanks a lot, sir,
Okay.
for giving me the opportunity, sir.
Yes, anyone else? No one? I think we are done with the session today. Okay. Yes, Vaishnavi.
For world history.
Sorry, what?
Arjun Deva book writer for world history.
World history, you want to know the source?
Yes, sir. There is a book by Arjun Dev.
Yes. See, I don't believe in reading book for world history because rarely a question is asked. Just prepare notes on basic topics. Then that is more than enough. Okay?
Okay, thank you.
Okay. So I think we are done with the session today. Harpreet wanted to ask. Yes, sorry, Harpreet. Tell me.
Sir, good evening, sir. Congratulations.
Yes. Thank you.
सर मॉडर्न हिस्ट्री के सोर्सेज के बारे में बताएंगे? जैसे मैं बिपिन चंद्रा रेफर कर रहा हूँ और इंडिया स्ट्रगल फॉर इंडिपेंडेंस, तो अभी आपने जैसे स्पेक्ट्रम का लेवल दिया तो वो रिफाइन करूँ उसको तो?
देखो, बिपिन चंद्रा या इंडियन दो तीन बुक मत पढ़ो, बहुत मुश्किल हो जाएगा याद करना। मैं स्पेक्ट्रम इसलिए बोल रहा हूँ, वन सोर्स है, एक में सब कुछ दे देते हैं। बिपिन चंद्रा से हो सके लेना हो तो उसका थोड़ा बहुत जिस्ट ले लो, कुछ 6-7 चैप्टर जो है, आई थिंक 6 to 12 मोर देन इनफ है। उसमें से बस छोटे छोटे पॉइंट्स निकाल लो, लेकिन आई स्टिल से स्पेक्ट्रम रेफर करो, मोर देन सफिशिएंट है प्री के लिए, मेंस के लिए। ठीक है। Now,
Hello.
Somebody is asking of the framework you mentioned. As I said, I can't tell you all the frameworks, but you can refer to the group highest prerequisite. I'll be doing the live answer writing sessions. Kavin Kumar, you will get to know from that. Okay. Now, I think we are done. The questions are getting repeated.
Hello, sir.
Yes, Raghavendra, last question, please. Now I have to go somewhere.
Yeah, sir. How can I see this video repeated telecast?
I have recorded it after requesting someone, so I'll post it as soon as possible. Okay. Thank you.
Yeah, sir. Okay. Through YouTube or?
No, I'll put it in the group YouTube, few places. I'll tell you. Okay.
Okay.
So everyone, thank you. Now I'll be leaving. Okay.
Thank you,
I
sir.
hope
Thank
you all benefited of the session. And if you want, you can contact us through ISP Recruitment Group. And any doubts, you can talk to Arshada. Okay?
Thank you.
Thank you, everyone.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Good night.